Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jay the Bad Bitch.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jay the Bad Bitch.
And today we are baking. That's right, we're baking. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, but today we are making banana bread. So first, we're gonna get the ingredient. So we're gonna get the ingredients. So yeah, as I said, we're making banana bread. So yeah, I have to do a voiceover now because I can't talk because my dad was watching me bake. So I was like, oh, that's kind of gross. So I won't do that anymore. Ingredients, yeah. Hey, bitch, you already know it's motherfucking ingredients. So first, we have a baking soda. You know, she's here. She's white. You know, she's just here to slay, bitch. Next, we have our musty, dusty, brown bananas. She's a little bit gross, but you know, they're still good. Next, we have our round, brown, and ready and proud egg, bitch. Just one, not two, just one. Next, we have our vanilla extract, you know, just a little bit of a teaspoon that, you know, she's a little bit flavorful. Next, we have our olive oil. You know, she's an extra virgin, just like me, bitch. Always. Yes, slay. And then now we have our flour, gold medal, all-purpose bitch. Is that you? She here. She's not even like came to fear, like baby girl. Utensils and shit, yeah, yeah. So first we have these measuring teaspoons. Like, yes, bitch, measure. Big ones too, bitch, I didn't even know. Never mind, bitch, we got the big ones. Oh, and a bowl. We got a bowl for that shit and two mixers. But I decided to use an electric mixer because I was fancy as fuck. So like, ding ding, you know it, that's the tea. And a measuring cup because, bitch, we need to measure that water and milk and shit. I mean, bitch, that's not even that fucking ingredients. Let's get cooking, bitch. So first, you get your bananas and you rip one off because you're ugly and you mash it up in a bowl. Basically, bitch, it's not even that hard. See, you put a banana and you mash it in a bowl. Like, girl, it's not even that hard. Get your shit together. But, bitch, I don't even know what the fuck I was doing. I'm gross as hell. Bitch, ew, what even am I? Like, what the fuck? But yeah, you gotta peel it and then you, bitch, what? Yes, in the bowl, and then you get a fork and you mash it together, bitch. You mash it like no tomorrow, bitch. Like, go ham, bitch. Go off, bitch. What even? I'm literally fucking so gross. Like, what kind of bitch? I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fucking die after I eat this. But yeah, we're thriving here. I'm mixing it, and it looks like that. It should look like kind of like banana sauce, like applesauce, but like with bananas. But it shouldn't be too smooth because you want kind of a chunky one. But you try to get it as smooth as you can because, bitch, you know you want that smooth. You don't want chunky shit. But if you want chunky, you can go for chunky. But it's not recommended. You know what I mean? But yeah, yes. Ew, what the fuck? Oh my god. Yeah, I don't even know what the fuck I even am. Like, bitch, I don't know why I'm over exaggerating like so much. I look like a fucking old fucking dad. Like, ew, what the fuck even am I? But yeah, so you gotta, yeah, bitch, you need 3, not 4, bitch. 3. I don't even, bitch, ew, what even is my hand? Like, yes, drop that banana, go off, sis, and you gotta mash it all together. Stab it like it's fucking Sam Silver, bitch. Like, honestly, go off, kill that bitch. Like, I hate him so fucking much. But going back to the banana bread, you gotta mash it up. Mash it until it looks like mashed bananas. Like, what should it look like, bitch? Yes, thumbnail. Oh my god, it's literally spilling. What kind of dumb bitch am I? Ooh, yes. Yes, bitch. Mash it up. So yeah, you gotta try to mash it. Ew, do you see that? What even? Bitch, I can't even anymore. Like, why the fuck am I even doing this? It's not like my YouTube career is gonna be a shit thing. Like, oh my god, I'm fucking embarrassing. But yeah, look, it's me mixing bananas, guys. Like, so entertaining. Mashing it. Mashing it. Mashing it. See, look, it's smooth now, bitch. That was magical. Like, bitch, you see that shit? Oh my god, it's literally spilling and I'm dumb as fuck. But yeah, we're arriving. Woo! I'm like kind of choking on my own fucking breath. Yes, like whatever. Fucking put that peace sign up, bitch. No one even cares anymore. But yeah, and then we're gonna fucking pour. Actually, no, we're not. We're reading the ingredients. I'm kind of dumb. Never mind, bitch. We're actually reading the ingredients, and I look ugly as fuck. So, oh, and then, bitch, look, I had to read it again because I'm fucking dumb. But now, bitch, now, stop reading. Jay reading a recipe for fucking 30 minutes straight. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get a measuring cup, bitch, because it actually called for butter, but I didn't have any, so I was like, girl, we're gonna use olive oil. So yeah, it's literally the same fucking thing, and I feel like olive oil is more healthier than butter, because like butter is literally fucking milk, and olive oil is a vegetable plant thing, and ew, what the fuck, bitch? That's literally my fucking forehead. What the fuck? Do you see how greasy I look? That's fucking me. I look fucking gross. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna get demonetized. Whatever, bitch. I'm not gonna make money anyways. I'm not, bitch. Yeah. Yeah, another one because I want mine to be moist as fuck. Cause once a dry piece of bread, like no one, bitch. And I smelled literally everywhere. It was kind of fucking gross. But yeah, we're gonna mix that up and bitch, I literally can't even anymore. Fucking kill me right now. Like, go off. Just so you know, my pants are now ruined. I'm literally so sad. I'm gonna literally have to buy new ones. So it turns out we needed a bigger bowl because I was lazy as fuck and I wanted to use a small one. But it came to bite me in the fucking ass because I had to wash two big bowls now. I'm fucking so depressed. But yeah, we're pouring that shit in to the motherfucking bigger bowl. And then we're gonna mix all the other ingredients. Yes, bitch, slay. Show them your fucking bowl of bananas and olive oil. Like, go off, bitch. Go off. Yes, and it's gonna spill again because I'm fucking down. Yeet. Next, we're putting in some baking soda. Yeah, so I had this trick where I flip it upside down so it's perfectly measured out. But obviously, that did not fucking happen. I'm so fucking gross. But then yeah, it ended up like not fucking looking disgusting. So yeah, thriving. So we're gonna add a little salt to even out the flavoring. And then we're gonna have our eggs. Yes, the round bitch, the legend. We're gonna crack it. And it's gonna look so motherfucking aesthetic, bitch. You're gonna see this. Oh my god. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch! Who fucking said she was gorgeous? Now we're gonna have vanilla extract. The flavor, bitch. The flavor is in your face. Like, she's here. Like, she's ready, bitch. Here we have an intimate shot of me pouring a tablespoon of vanilla extract into the banana bread batter, bitch. And then we're putting sugar. I put 1.5 motherfucking cups because a bitch was feeling sweet that day. Like, and now we're feeling like, I want to mix this shit up, girl. Like, with a hand mixer, I was feeling extra that day, bitch. You could use a regular, like, whisk, but, you know, if I have it, I have it. I'm using it because I'm fancy and extra, bitch. And you can see it's gonna get incorporated very well. Like, I just mixed all the wet liquids together. My English is wretched, but I don't even care. Yeah, take that song out. What the fuck? Now I'm gonna insert some Apple Movie music, and I'm gonna speed everything up because my ass is too lazy to edit all this mixing and flour shit. Ha, you're ugly. So the voiceover is kind of over now, so that's cute. So we are doing the oven, but I accidentally put something in there. So, but yeah, we're putting the pan in there. suggested 9, no, what is this? Something by something. Comment down below, guys. I don't know the shit. As you can see, it's greasy as my skin. Okay, actually, don't do this to your fucking pan. It literally sucks ass. I literally telling you right now. Clean up time. Cleaning montage, bitches. That's right. Oh my god, it's done, bitches. Bitch. It took a whole fucking hour, but it's here. I was changing my clothes because that shit got dirty as fuck. But like, ooh bitch, ooh bitch. Insert montage. Banana bread montage. He's like nothing. Yeah, so that's it, bitches. Bye. Things that did not make it to the actual video, bitch. The viewers have a question. Why are you so ugly?
I got it from my mother.
Bitch. Thanks for watching, bitches. Now go subscribe and like this video because a bitch needs money.